Aldgate. That's where I'm starting the journey from today. As you can see, a couple of the iconic buildings in front of us. And we're going to start on a little walkabout, see what we see. And amongst all these new high-rise buildings, there's all these lovely little iconic spots that people don't see because they're so busy. I mean, look at this. Lovely little cemetery, a church, a little small cemetery, obviously it's very private. As you can see, a few headstones in there. And this is the church. Look at that. You know, stuck right in the middle of the city. This has been here before. Looks like a very popular place over here. Yeah. Yeah. What a lovely city when the sun's out. Can't beat London. This place here. Look at that. Look at that. In the distance, oh, one of the most iconic sights of London. No, not people eating. It's that right across the road. A little tuck away. You can go in, have something to eat in there. That's what it looks like. That's the place. All hidden. And look what's in the view. You can see that little thing in the building in the distance? No, that's not little. That's the Tower of London. Look at that. Ooh, wall. Tower of London. Yeah, London. I do love my city. You tourists. But look. Look at this. Everybody out. People. And this is where you can get on the one of these. Uber. Use your Oyster card. See? Entrance. Come on in. You purchase your tickets from here. See? There's people coming off. And that's the sight. Look at that. Look at that. Is that not London? London, England. Hmm? Beautiful. So in the distance, on your left, it's a famous place, Butlers Wharf. I'll take you over there, show you around. Used to go there, have a nice little cup of coffee, see what's going on. Coffee break, so I'll walk up, have a look, see what they got going on. Lovely assortment of stuff. I'm going to treat myself. I'm going to have my coffee now. Here we go.